The next letter that we're going to make is a capital T. Capital T has a big line down and then a line across on top. So we're going to take a big wooden piece and we're going to put it on our mat and make a line down first. And then we're going to take a smaller wooden piece and we're going to put it on top for a line across. We're now going to make a capital T using our chalkboard. We need our wet sponge, a dry sponge, and a piece of chalk. We want to see the smiley face in the top left corner. We're going to take our wet sponge and we're going to start at the top and we're going to do a big line down. And then we go back to the top and we do a line across. We now take our dry sponge and we're going to go over it. We do line down and line across. And lastly, we're going to take our chalk. We want to use 3 fingers and we're going to make a line down and line across for a capital T. Now we're going to make a capital I. So capital I has a line down, then a line across at the top, and a line across at the bottom. So we're going to take a big wooden piece and put it on the center of our mat for a line down. We're going to take a small wooden piece and put it at the top for a line across at the top, and another small piece for a line at the bottom for another line across. So we just made an I. Big line down, little line across, another little line across. We're now going to make the letter I. We need our wet sponge, our dry sponge, and our piece of chalk. We want to see the smiley face in the top left corner still. We're going to take our wet sponge and we're going to start in the middle and make a big line down. Then we're going to go to the top left corner. We're going to do a line across. And at the bottom, a line across for the letter I. We now take our dry sponge and we're going to make a line down. Then we make a line across and another line across. Lastly, we're going to take our chalk and we're going to do the same thing again to make our I on our own. Line down, line across, line across for capital I.